Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of epithelial tissue. This is one of the four main types of tissues in our body. It's like a protective barrier and so much more. Let's break it down. Epithelial tissue is like a tight-knit community of cells. These cells are closely packed together. They form continuous sheets. These sheets cover the surfaces of our body. They also line our internal organs and cavities. Think of it as the body's very own wrapping paper, but it's not just about looks. This tissue is the ultimate multitasker. It protects us from the outside world. It helps us absorb nutrients. It even helps us get rid of waste. Stay tuned as we explore the amazing world of epithelial tissue. Let's zoom in and get a closer look at the structure of epithelial tissue. Remember those tightly packed cells? They're the stars of the show. Epithelial tissue can have one or more layers of cells. It depends on its location and function. Single-layered tissue is great for absorption and filtration. Multi-layered tissue is tougher. It's found in areas that experience wear and tear. And guess what? These cells can have different shapes too. Flattened cells are called squamous cells. Cube-shaped cells are called cuboidal cells. Tall, column-like cells are called columnar cells. Each shape has a specific purpose. The arrangement and shape of epithelial cells are directly related to their function. It's like a perfectly designed puzzle. Now, let's talk about what epithelial tissue does. This tissue is a true overachiever. It has many important functions. Protection is a major role. Think about your skin. It's made up of epithelial tissue that shields you from injury and infection. Inside your body, epithelial tissue protects organs and cavities, but that's not all. This incredible tissue is also responsible for absorption. The lining of your small intestine is epithelial tissue. It helps your body absorb nutrients from food. Secretion glands are made up of epithelial tissue. They produce and release substances like hormones and sweat. Excretion. Your kidneys have epithelial tissue that helps filter waste products from your blood. Filtration. Epithelial tissue in your respiratory tract helps filter out dust and particles from the air you breathe. Diffusion. The thin lining of your lungs is epithelial tissue. It allows for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Epithelial tissue is often overlooked, but it's absolutely essential for our health and well-being. Imagine life without this amazing tissue. We wouldn't be able to protect ourselves from the environment. We wouldn't be able to absorb nutrients or get rid of waste. It's truly the unsung hero of our body. From the top of our heads to the tips of our toes, epithelial tissue is hard at work. It's a reminder that even the smallest parts of our body play a vital role. So next time you think about your health, remember the amazing work of epithelial tissue. It's the tissue that keeps on giving.